Hey guys, in this video let us create something that the player can collect. First let's create our folder called collectibles. Let's select the collectibles. Let's go to the folder where we have our assets, PNG, items. Let's drag and drop the diamond and maybe the key. Okay, let's start with the diamond. So let's create a new scene. Let's click other node and search for area 2D. Let's add a collision shape. And I don't think we have an animation, so let's add only a sprite. Okay, so sprite is just an image. Let's drag and drop this diamond into the texture. Area 2D let us know if something enters this area. So we want the player when he enters into the diamond to collect the diamond. So that's why we chose area 2D. Area 2D only works with collision shapes, so we need to add a collision shape. Now let's select rectangle shape. Let's zoom in a little bit and create this shape. Okay. Let's name it diamond. Let's save the scene. Now let's create our script. The script folder, open, create. Okay, so now you want the player to collect it when he enters into this blue area. So to do that, we need to click on nodes and here search in the signals on body entered and double click it and click connect. So now Godot create this functions for us. This function is a signal and we see this icon here. This is a signal. So now this will let us know when the player entered this area. Okay, so now the player entered this area, we want to delete this diamond, so let's write Q3. Later we can play maybe some sounds or some animations, but for now let's just delete it. Let's go to the demo scene and let's add a diamond so we can try if it works. Let's drag and drop it and put it here. Let's run our code, our scene, sorry. Let's player walk. Okay, so now everything seems to work fine. Let's do the same thing for our key. Let's make a new scene, other node, area 2D, add the collision shape, add the sprite. Let's drag and drop our sprite. First let's go back to the inspector, drag it to the texture, and here also add rectangle shape. Let's zoom in. Okay, so let's lock the sprite so we won't be able to move it. Let's close it for a while so we can make this a little bit bigger. Okay, that's it. So now let's add script. Let's call it key, create. Again, let's go to area, nodes, body entered, connect. Let's write Q3 to delete it. Delete when the player enters, and let's save it as key. Let's rename it to key. So if we need to do this to every single collectible, this maybe will take a little bit of time and maybe some pain. So we can make it scalable. So I will show you how. Let's create a new scene. Click area 2D again, but this time let's write an animated sprite. Let's add a collision shape. Let's name it to maybe collectible. And here on the animated sprite, can create new sprite sheet. And here maybe we can make diamond. The other one called key. Let's drag and drop the key here and the diamond here. Let's create a rectangle shape. Let's try to fit both the key and the diamond. So now if we change our animation to diamond, it's fitting well. So now let's create a script again called collectible. Open, create. Again, let's write here on the node, body entered, connect, Q3. Perfect. Let's save it. But this time I'm gonna make a variable here, export var. Let's call it maybe, I don't know, index. Let's start with 1. So we're going to choose the animation, the type of it, depending on the index. Or let's make it an enum. It's better. Enum. Let's call it maybe type diamond. Let's call it blue diamond because maybe you want to add the other diamond colors. Let's name it blue key. I see that this video is taking some time, so let's continue in the next video. So see you guys and hope you enjoy this video. Bye bye.